Welcome to Bernini Design. In this video I'm going to show you the auto mode of operation of BE142. In this case the BE142 controller is fitted on a panel. Be careful, once auto mode is selected the engine can start at any time. Verify that you put proper information of warning closer to the engine. After pushing auto, a message will appear for a short time on the display. The green light turns on also. In this case, this green LED is on because mains is present. Please observe that the contactor is closed. We can say that our load is supplied by the network, by the mains. Let us simulate a mains failure. As you can see, this green LED is no longer active. The display indicates the timer P0 that takes care to delay the circuit breaker of the mains. After that, the timer P1 takes place. After P1, the BE142 will start the engine. Now BE142 is trying to start the engine. You can see here the 4 dots that indicate that the starter is on. Let's simulate the engine running condition. As you can see now the green LED is on, indicating engine running. We have the green LED mains presence, and after the warm-up time the circuit breaker of the generator will close. Let's have a look now at this situation. The engine is running, voltage is on, circuit breaker of the generator is closed, so the load is connected to our generator. Let me now simulate the presence of the mains. The timer P2 takes place right now, and after that the contactor of the generator will open and the contactor of the mains will close after a programmed changeover time. Now the cooling timer takes place, and after that the BE142 will launch a stop command to the engine. On this example we program a short duration of the timers in a way to make a short video. In reality, settings for the above timers could last several minutes. So this is the end of this video. As you can see, we are in the same situation of the beginning. Our load is supplied directly by the mains. Thanks for your attention. On next video I show you the test mode of operation. Thanks for watching.